Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Now that you are familiar with nesting, the next topic that we are going to touch on is the responsive controls in the new Flexbox container in Elementor. Now, when you create responsive designs, you must be familiar with the fact that it requires you to at times hide items or hide elements on a page, or at times it requires you to move them around so that those designs or that section or that page looks absolutely fine on devices with different screen sizes or smaller screen sizes. Now the section column layout did come with some of the responsive design options which were hiding elements on certain pages. Let me show you. On certain devices, you can see right over here, you can enable or disable, you can hide certain things or certain elements on desktop, on tablet and on mobile, and also you were able to reverse columns for tablets and mobile. Other than that, if you had to do anything, then you had to play around with the settings. Okay, now this thing has changed with Flexbox. Now to show you the difference, what I am going to do is I am going to take you to a website or a Flexbox playground that has been created by Elementor. Now this is the Flexbox playground that has been created by Elementor themselves. Now anybody can access it. This is free to use. I'll leave the link to it in the description box below. If you want to get yourself familiar with the new Flexbox container, then make sure you check this out. You check this playground out. It contains a bunch of examples that will help you understand Flexbox better. Now this playground also has an option for the mobile friendly side of things with the new Flexbox container. So let me take you to that and then we'll discuss it further. So right at the bottom, I think it's the ninth option. Okay, right here, you can see mobile responsive layout. Choose a custom order for each device without duplicating the content. Place the image last under the CTA button in mobile. You can see the solution is this. It should look something like this. Now to do this, what you will have to do is you will have to move this container on top of this container or this container below this CTA. So what I am going to do is I'm going to click responsive controls right over here, go to the responsive mode, then select the mobile device. Okay, then go back to that question. Okay, this is the one that we are talking about. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this, go to the advanced tab, and it has the order option. It lets me select the order. One is the start and one is the end. So we'll have to move this option to the end. Now if I click start, it will bring it right on top over here, and if I will click end, it will bring it below the CTA. You see right over here, and this solves the problem. Okay, now let's go back to the desktop view. And it is just fine. This thing will look just fine. This thing will be back to normal. So Flexbox container do give you the option to basically align, reorder, size elements according to different screen sizes. So make sure you see these options, try these options. It is a very interesting thing that Elementor has introduced in 3.6, and Elementor hopefully will be pushing this thing forward. Okay, so make sure you are familiar with this. Again, I will leave the link to this playground in the description box below. Now For those of you who are new to Elementor and Flexbox concept or to website design in general, Flexbox can be a bit confusing at first. Okay, so to get a better understanding of this, you will have to work with this concept. Once you get the hang of this concept, it is very easy. Again, it works in 1D where you will have to work on a certain element or a container at once. You cannot work through multiple components. Okay, so once one of the containers is in its place, then you can work on the other ones, which makes it really easy to work with if you understand what you are doing. Make sure you use all of these features. This is the first video that we are doing for this. This is a very brief walkthrough. This is nothing special. I've just discussed a few properties, a few differences from the sections to the Flexbox move. Now, in the next videos, in the upcoming videos, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it to a step further. Okay, so make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.